come closer. My name is Victor Isibor. Anytime you see me in this mood, you should know, you already know, money is about to rain. Now listen, I want to share with you a secret website that is going to be giving you $10 every hour. Every single hour, you will be making $10. Does that sound exciting? Stop doubting me. Victor Isibor never says anything that he cannot back up. I will show you a website that will be giving you $10 every hour. Even more than that. By the time I share my screen, you will see that the $10 I even mentioned now is even nonsense. You can potentially even make times 5 of that in one single hour. Now, if you are excited already, like this video, smash the like button so that YouTube will know that, okay, this is a good video. Begin to share it within your social media community. Now sit back, relax, grab some popcorn and cold water while I share my screen and show you how you can be collecting your $10 every hour. Don't sleep, don't sleep. Wake up. Let's go. Dada, so we are here. Look at your eyes. You that you are watching me, look at your eyes. You like money too much. You know that anytime Victor Isibor comes, there's money to be made. All right, now you have caught me. You have caught me. The website I'm talking about is what? Is Sprout Gigs. All right. Now look at it there. That is Sprout Gigs. Now, there's a registration link in the description. Okay, register via the registration link in the description. I'll also put it in the pinned comments. Okay, that's your own way of telling me, Victor, thank you for giving me this information. Okay, so go ahead and register via the link in the description and also in the pinned comments. Okay, so while you are doing that, I'm going to the top right corner of the website, the menu drop down. I want to show you some magic. Are you excited? If you're excited, start smashing the like button of this video. Don't wait for the video to finish before you smash the like button. I'm not going to take it lightly with you. Now, look at the drop down has opened now, and I am going to be looking at micro jobs. Relax your mind. Don't worry. I'm coming to this one later, the gigs. Just relax your mind and follow me gradually. I bragged at the beginning of this video that you can be earning $10 per hour. People will say, Victor, bring proof. I will bring proof for you. There is money on the internet for free of charge. Register for free and come and pack money legitimately, so that we all can give Ponzi schemes a break. Look at these micro jobs that I circled. Now I'm going to click on that drop down button. You see the next thing that came up. It is find jobs. Now I want to find jobs for you, my dear people. If you're jobless, unemployed, if you're a student, you are looking for a site also, go to the description of this video. There's a link that is going to lead you to financial independence there. Scroll up. Now, first of all, pay attention. Oh. What did you see here? 531 results for jobs. 531 results for jobs. Now, this job requires no skill, no experience. It doesn't require any stress. Look at the first job we are seeing. Soft work. What did he say? New task. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Even my grandmother in the village can subscribe to a channel. Is it not to push a button, subscribe? They didn't even say turn on the bell notification icon. No. They just say subscribe. How much are they going to pay? Bam, look at it. $1.01. Does it take 2 seconds to subscribe? Back, back. You have made that $1.01. It is not over. They said it's 531 results. Why are you in a hurry? Where are you going to? Come on, come and walk. I'm giving you need money. You need money, and I've given you. I don't cut soap for you now. Come and make the money. Look at the next one now. The next one just below the $1.01. Look at it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. How much is this person offering? $2. Before I continue, let me give you the gist what this platform is all about. This platform is a platform where people who want tasks to be done for them, people who are too busy, people who don't have any know-how, people who need help for jobs to be done for them, they will bring their money to Sprout Gigs and say, take this money. Yes, I need so and so thing to be done. I need subscribers on my YouTube channel. I need people to follow and like my page. I need this, I need that. I need somebody to do this, I need somebody to do that. Take money. Sprout Gigs will now take the money and say, Freelancers, so people that lost their jobs recently, full-time housewives, so students, so that need side hustle, all of you come and be freelancers. So somebody has brought money for us. So what does the person need? The person needs you to subscribe to his YouTube channel. Or we will pay you from the money he brought. Oh, it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. This guy is offering $2 for you to subscribe. Now, how long does it take to subscribe to a channel? You are done. You've made this $1. You have made this $3. This $2, making how much that you have made now? $3. The work is plenty. Look at the next one. Another $2. What does this person want? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take this $2, add it to that. Is that not $5 that you have made already? You have made $5 in how many seconds? Look at this one. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's also what this person wants. How much is he offering? $1. Is that not $6 you have made already? Download an ebook, earn 25 cents. Promote content plus engage 1x, 36 cents. Promote content. This promote content is just as simple as maybe sharing the content on your WhatsApp status. Take screenshots, drop there, bam, they give you the money. Promote content, 30 cents. Promote. By the time you do all these things, see this one. Watch video, and 55 cents. Just watching video. A lot of you are on social media watching the lives of celebrities for free. As a matter of fact, you are burning your data, wasting your money. You use your future to play.
You use your future to play. You use your generation to play.
You see? Now, watch video and just earn 55 cents. It's as simple as that. By the time you dedicate your time and effort, all that this thing is asking you for is just your time and effort. There is money to be made. Look at it now. 531 results. Personally, I'm a very busy person. Okay? Chains of businesses, content creation, network marketing, family time and all that. It is too much for me. This video is dedicated to people who don't have anything doing. What are you doing? Why don't you spend your time here and make as much money as you can? $10 in an hour is small. You can even make up to $20 in an hour. But I don't want to exaggerate. And I want to assume that you are not going to spend the whole of your day here. 5 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, you're done. Cash out and bone. Tomorrow, come back again. Do the same things again and again. You will be cashing out. Not every time Ponzi, not every time you have to invest. This is free, requires zero skill, requires zero experience. Let us live here. Let's go back. I'm going back to the top right corner menu and I'm clicking on gigs. I want to browse gigs and I'm going to show you something magical that will enable you to be making more than this $10 per hour. $10 is peanuts. On this website, I will show you a way that you can cash out up to at least, too small, at least $500 to $1,000 in a month. Now, these are gigs. Now, these gigs they require a little bit of experience and a little bit of work. And obviously, they pay higher. The micro jobs, anybody can do it. My grandmother in the village can do it. The roadside mechanic can do it. Anybody can do it. But this one, they require a little bit of effort. Look at the first one that we are seeing here. Article writing. You can see it here. Article writing. All right. This is a typical job somebody has posted. All right. Said that they are going to write 25 articles, 1,500 words for your blog. All right. And the price is $4.20. All right. Now, look at the number of people that has patronized this person. Now, 67 reviews. Probably a lot more people have patronized this person, but only 67 dropped their reviews. You can post a job here on this Sprout Gigs. You post a job because the option is there. It's a one-stop website for people who want to post jobs and freelancers who want to do jobs. All right? You can post a job here and say that you want to write articles for people. Somebody's looking at me and saying, Victor, me, write article. Me, that my handwriting is not good. Forget that thing. Me that I did not go to school. Forget that thing. I'm going to show you how you can get your articles for your clients when you find a client on this website. It's as simple as that, guys. So just stick with me, okay? See another one, article writing. All right, this person is even charging $5.25. Okay, this person say he will create a video for $6.30. But let's focus, for the purpose of this video, let's focus on article writing real quick. All right, now stick with me. So, all right, you guys, I believe you are familiar with ChatGPT. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, I'll put a video at the end card of this video where you go and watch about ChatGPT. I made a video about it already. Now, in a nutshell, this is just an automated robot that enables you to write anything you want to write. You ask it any questions, it will do it for you. This robot can even write codes for you, solve mathematics for you. You carry this robot, enter exam hall, you will get distinction, because there's no question your lecturer will ask in exam that this chatbot cannot answer. Okay, now look at this carefully. Let's assume now on Sprout Gigs, you say you can write article. Okay, you can write article, and somebody now comes and gives you money and say, write an article on the best travel destinations in Africa. Now the job has come. What would you do? Come to ChatGPT and write best. See, I'm typing now. Best holiday destinations in Africa. All right, you want it to write an article, then you now press send. Look at ChatGPT. Wait, it's warming up. See, it has started. It's writing already. See, it is writing. Look at it, it's writing. It's writing for you. You're not the one writing this thing. Let me move my screen here. It's writing. Look, just no, go do now. Look at it now. Am I the one writing it? Look at my hands. It's writing it. It's writing everything. It is writing. It is writing everything. Now, okay, look at it now. It has written and it has stopped. Look at it, it has stopped too. I want to look for a trouble. I want to write continue. I want it to continue. Because you know, that thing, they said 1,500 words. If it's not enough, you can write continue, press send. It has continued. It's writing. It has continued. It's writing. My brothers and sisters, making money online gets easier and easier every day. There's no excuse for anybody to say, look, he's writing while I'm talking to you. There's no excuse for anybody to say, oh, I cannot make money, except those that are lazy. Those people that will keep saying, oh, my president is the reason for my poverty. Oh, my father, where were you when your mates were hustling? Your father did not hustle. Taken. That one has passed. It is your turn. Hustle now, so that your children will not tell you the same thing. Now, just copy all these things now. Copy all these things. Go and paste it somewhere. For you to personalize it a little, so that it don't just seem as if you packed everything, hook, line, and sinker. You can rephrase it a little. Take it, paste it on the blog of that person. You have done one article for the person. How many articles did you promise the person? 25. Whatever topic or niche that person wants, ChatGPT can, reproduce it for you. It's as simple as that, based on the topic. Now, for you to have something different and versatile, you can play around with the command that you give to it. Okay? You can make it more specific. Best holiday destinations in West Africa. Or you can, just tweak your request. It will write it all for you. When it writes it for you, you will just go ahead and paste it on your client. I can even say it should rephrase. I can even say it should rephrase what it wrote before. You see, it is rephrasing it. If you don't want it to be as if, it is just typical, it will rephrase it. Write rephrase again for it again. It will still rephrase it again. It's as simple as that. Copy it, paste it on your client's blog. Do the 1,500 words for each article across different niches. If it is engineering now, this thing will also do it. Anything you want. Let me look for trouble now. I'm saying 2x. Plus 2x squared. Let me say 2x squared. I want to solve maths. I want it to solve maths for me. 2x squared plus 4x minus 2 equal to let me say 12. I'll ask it now. I'll send it on a stupid errand now to find x. See, I've sent it. I'm just looking for trouble, just to show you the potentials that exists with this. So he's solving the maths for me already using almighty formula. You dey wine? Are you looking at it? It has seen x for me. The x that I asked it to find, it has seen it for me. Okay? So even if your client tells you, solve difficult mathematics for me, ChatGPT is there for you. I think I need to drop my mic now. This is the end of you. I've cut soap for you, for these guys now. I don't try now. I've cut soap. Like, no, look, I've given them financial independence. Victor Isibor just succeeded in purchasing poverty out of the lives of his viewers. They should give me an Oscar award. Oscar is for actors. They should give me an award. Yes. Or a chieftaincy title. All right? Now, what is my reward that makes me happy? Application. Don't just watch my videos. You watch the videos. Apply the things I am saying. There's a link to register in the description of this video. Go and register. Start making money. Bring your testimonies to me. Come and tell me, Victor, I made XYZ amount of money. I don't need your money. Don't send any money to me. There are some miscreants on Telegram trying to use my picture to scam people, asking you people for money. Victor Isibor never asks his subscribers for money. The only thing I ask you for is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my video. Share it so that more and more people will see it. Use my referral link to register. That's all that I would ever ask you. I need your positive feedbacks. This is simple, guys. Copy the information that ChatGPT gives you from your inquiry. Take it to your client's page. If you think that the word, another person would have asked that same command and the ChatGPT would have generated the same language, write rephrase. It will rephrase it in another word using another language. So guys, take action. Take action and you will be financially free. Stay away from Ponzi schemes. I am at the forefront of the fight against Ponzi. If I'm fighting against Ponzi, I should be giving you guys legitimate opportunities to make money. This is one of them. Use the link in the description. Get on board. I wish you all the best. Share your results. Till I see you next time, I remain Victor Isibor. It's bye for now.